Good morning, students. Good to see you all here again. So, yesterday we have learned about abstract noun, common noun, and I hope so you have learned all the definition. So, first we revise all the definition. Okay, students? So, what is abstract noun? Let's revise. Abstract nouns are names of qualities, actions, state. Okay, let's revise again. Abstract nouns are names of qualities, action, and state. This is called abstract noun. Okay, let's revise. Compound noun. What is compound noun? When two nouns are joined together, we get a new noun. It is called a compound noun. Let's revise again. When two nouns are joined together, we get new noun. It is called compound noun. Say together with me. When two nouns are joined together, we get a new noun. It is called a compound noun. Okay? What is singular number? Let's revise definition. When we speak about one person and one thing, we use the noun in singular form. Say together with me. When we speak about one person and one thing, we use the noun in singular form. Let's repeat again. When we speak about one person and one thing, we use the noun in singular form. Example, a pen, a book, a tree. Okay? It is talking about one person and one thing. Okay? Let's see. What is the plural number? When we speak about more than one person and one thing, we use the noun in plural form. Here is talking about more than one. Okay? If it is talking more than one, it is plural. Okay? So let's revise again. When we speak about more than one person and one thing, we use the noun in plural form. Pens, books, trees. Can you say one more time? When we speak about more than one person and one thing, we use the noun in plural form. Let's revise. What is a concrete nouns? Nouns that can be identified from any of our five senses. Touch, smell, hear, taste, see. Okay? Let's repeat again. Nouns that can be identified from any of our five senses. This is called concrete nouns. Okay? Let's go ahead. See your Z exercise. Concrete nouns which we can feel, taste, see, touch. This is called concrete nouns. Okay? Let's see. Sofa, moon, cold, ocean, milk. Let's see what are the abstract nouns. Parent, truth, workers, patience, and generosity. Okay? This is called abstract noun and this is called concrete nouns. Okay? Let's see your H. These sentences describe some action. Okay? Match them to the qualities they show. Let's read. See students, your first one. The boy jumped into the pond to help the drowning puppy. Then see your courageous. Okay? Courage. See your second one. Hari stayed back to explain the sum to Anjali. See here your second one. Helpfulness. Okay. Third one. Smita told the truth even though she knew she would get into trouble. Honesty. Okay. So here we are learning about action and qualities. Okay. Let's see your fourth one. The dog waited to be told to eat its dinner. See your here. Patience. See your last one. The children made fun of the sad boy. Cruelty. Okay. Let's go ahead. Write down this question in your copy. Fill in the blanks with the singular forms of the nouns in the bracket. You can see I have written in the bracket. You have to use them in singular form. Do it. First one, the school won the trophy in the big. Then you have to write singular form. See your second, an inter-school. You have to write first form. Competition is going to be held soon. See your third one. The mother cow was licking her. Write first form clean. Okay. Fourth one, see. My sister lives in a different. Write singular form. See your last one. The story is about a girl and how she become a. Write singular form. Write down. Now you can recheck. The school won the trophy in the big match. Okay. See your second. An inter-school quiz competition is going to be held soon. Okay, students. Let's see your third one. The mother cow was licking her calf clean. Okay. See your fourth one. My sister lives in a different city. Last one. The story is about a girl and how she became a witch. Okay. Let's practice another exercise. Write down this question in your copy. Rewrite these sentences using plural nouns. You must also change the verbs form to match the nouns. Okay, student? You can change the verbs form also. Okay, but you have to use plural form. Okay, do it first. Okay, now see students here. You can recheck if you have written wrong. Okay. An astronaut goes into outer space. Then write your answer. Astronauts go into outer space. Okay, you have to use here S. Okay, see your second one. The baby wants an orange candy. See your second one. The babies want oranges candies. Okay. Let's see your third one. The cupcake had a cherry and an almonds on it. And how we can rearrange? The cupcake had cherries and almonds on it. Okay. Let's see your fourth one. Did you buy the green dresses and the blue blouse? Let's see how we can rechange. Did you brought the green dresses and the blue blouses? Now see your fifth one. There is a loaf of bread and a slice of cake on the table. There is loaves of breads and slices of cake on the table. Are you clear here, students? I'll repeat last one. There is the loaves of breads and slices of cake on the table. Let's see ahead. Write down in your copy your K question. Choose the correct word to complete each sentence. One has been done for you. Okay, let's see. Sazia has plenty of toys in her room. Okay, you have to choose one. Okay, let's see your second one. Be careful when you use. You have to choose one. Okay, let's see your third one. There are many. Write down which one will come. See your fourth one. There is a tiger hiding behind the. Find right one. See your fifth one. What kind of? Pick one and you have to write here. Okay. Do you like to read? See your sixth one. The cow and their make some dash are grazing in the field. Then write calves and calves. Okay. Write your seventh. We knew that there were many. Make some dash in the forest. You have to choose from one. Okay. See your last one. Look at the make dash on the trees. Exclamatory mark. They were picking apples. Monkeys are monkeys. Find it out first. Then I will recheck. Let's see student. Second one. Be careful when you use knives. Take it and you can write here. Okay. Write in your copy. Let's see third one. There are many churches in Goa. Okay. See your fourth one. There is a tiger hiding behind the bushes. See your fifth one. What kind of stories do you like to read? See your sixth. The cows and their calves are grazing in the field. See your seventh one. We knew that there were many wolves in the forest. See your last one. Look at the monkeys on the trees. They're picking apples. Okay. How many was your wrong? Student, write down your L question. Choose the right nouns from the box to complete the sentence. One has been done for you. Okay. Let's see. Hercules was a big, muscular man known for his strength. Okay. Let's read second one. Jack was in a lot of. Make a big dash after his operation. Write your third one. It was our make dash having you spend the weekend in our house. Write your fourth one. They switched. SWITCHED. Switched off all the lights and left us incomplete. Then make dash. Okay. Write your last one. Ali cares a lot about the make dash of his school. He always helps with cleanup drives. Okay. So what are the options given pain, pleasure, darkness, strength, cleanliness. Okay? First you do, then I will recheck. If you have written wrong, you can recheck. Okay, student? Jack was in a lot of pain. Write down here pain. Pain after his operation. Okay? See your third one. It was our, what we can write? Write here pleasure. Pleasure. Pleasure having you spend the weekend in our house. Okay. Let's see your fourth one. They switched off all the lights and left us in complete, write down here, darkness. Okay. Now let's look last one. Ali cares a lot about the cleanliness of his school. He always helps with cleanup drive. Okay? Are you clear here? Student, write down your another question. M. Match the word in the box with the pictures to make two compound nouns with each word one has been done for you. Students, now you can see here house plus fly equal house, fly. So same like you have to use rain, house, water, book. Okay. So let's do first. Student, you can make a screenshot or you can draw in your copy. Okay. But you have to write in your copy. Okay. Look this picture. What is this? It is written here rain. If I add something before, then what will become? Rain, bow. Okay? We have to use here rain, bow. Okay? Then, what is this? Use here book. Then what we can use here? Book, self. Okay. Look this picture. What is this? Water, water, color. See this one? Rain. What is this? Drop. Then write down in your copy rain, drop. Okay, raindrops. What is this? Use here house. And what is this? Look this picture and tell boat. Okay, house, boat. See this picture? What is this? House, fly, book, worm. Then what is this? Water, melon. Now write down your N question. Complete these sentences with the compound noun you made above. One has been done for you. We have made here. Then according to this sentence we have to choose. Okay. So first you do that one. Write down in your copy. First it is written here. Write your second. I love using McDash to make paintings. Okay? Write your third. The notebooks you bought are lying on the McDash. Write your fourth. Meenu can read all days long. Make exclamatory mark. She is a McDash. Okay. Otherwise you can write first also. My sister's favorite fruit is watermelon. Okay. Write down your fifth one. I opened my umbrella. Write umbrella spelling UMBRELLA. Okay. When I felt, FELT, felt some, then draw a line, okay, on my nose. Write your sixth one. A McDash has been buzzing around and disturbing us since morning. Full stop. Okay. After sentence, use full stop. Whenever asking question, use question mark. Okay, student. Then write your seventh. We saw a colorful, draw a line, in the sky when we reached the village. Write your last eighth. We stayed in a beautiful, draw a line, not a small one, big one, okay, floating on the lake when we visited Kashmir. Okay, first you do that, then I will recheck. Okay, students, you can recheck if you have written wrong. Okay, I love using water color to make paintings. Okay, let's see third. The notebooks you brought are lying on the book shelf. Write down book shelf. Write your fourth. Meenu can read all day long. She is bookworm. Full stop. Okay. Now let's see your fifth one. I opened my umbrella when I felt some rain drops on my nose. Okay. See your sixth one. A housefly has been buzzing around and disturbing us since morning. Okay. See your seventh. We saw a colorful rainbow in the sky when we reached the village. Okay, student. Let's see last one. We stayed in a beautiful houseboat floating on the lake when we visited Kashmir. Okay? Student, write down your another question. List below any 4 concrete nouns that you see in your classroom. Okay? Or you can use in your home also something kept which you can see, which you can taste. Okay? Because now school are closed, but according to your house you can write. Okay? Let's see according to this picture. Okay? What you have to do? You have to write 4 concrete nouns. And what are the concrete nouns I told you before? Okay? So let's see. First, sofa. Which sofa? Can you see? No, we cannot see sofa in classroom. Okay, let's see. First, watch. Second, blackboard. Then what else? Table, bench. Okay. Student, what you have to do? You have to write 4 concrete nouns that you see in your house. Okay? Or you can use 10 also. You can write 10 concrete nouns that you see in your house. Okay? Can you do that? Student, look this picture, and if you have doubt regarding this page, you can ask me. Okay? I hope so you have done this one. Okay? You can recheck if you have written wrong. But I will read for you. Okay? Nice, female. Okay? Feminine, not female. Sorry, feminine. Baby, common. Fox, masculine. Lady, feminine. Uncle, masculine. Child, masculine. Peahen, feminine. Crown, neuter. Cousin, masculine. Vixen, feminine. Peacock, masculine. Wall, neuter. Aunt, feminine. Calf, masculine. Bottle, neuter. Okay? So, what you have to do, students, you have to learn all definition and you have to practice. Okay? And if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay? Students, you have to practice this one. Okay? And you have to write some examples in your copy, which is ending with O, S, X, SH and CH. Okay, then you have to draw, okay, some chart you can make by using FE, okay, but write separate. Okay, don't add everything. These all you have to practice in your home. Okay, now write down your homework. Write your first homework. Learn all definition lesson 2. Okay, then what you have to do second? Make a chart and write singular and plural forms. Okay, write your third question. Make a chart, plural nouns of word ending in first O, S, X, SH and CH. Then what you have to add? Add S. Okay, see your second F and FE. Then what you have to do? You have to change to VES. Okay, then write your third, or you can write here ABC, then it will be easy to understand. Okay, B, C, D. Okay, write your C. Y that follows a vowel, then you have to add S. Okay, C or D. Y that follows a consonant, replace Y with IES. Okay, so do all this homework and practice, and if you have any doubt you can ask me. Okay student, now I will stop this class. Go and drink water, but before you drink water you go wash your hand and be ready for your next class. Okay student, see you in next class. Bye.